Another request I've had is for people who have existing PODD compass page sets on their desk and this 60-cell or complex or expanded keyword sign, they will go into saved messages page and realise that the Save To button doesn't work. Now, there has been an update to the PODD page so that if you were starting fresh and new on a device with Compass PODD, this should be programmed. But if it isn't and you find it's not working, this is the solution. So go up to our top grey menu in the top right, click on that and choose Modify, and then click on the Save To button. And we will click on the actions. We can see it's back. This one's definitely working. And here we need to search for the action that needs to go. So in the top text box, you can type in the word E to and just search for it. And then we want is to mode. So let's click on that and add it. And we need the option insert message and then click on OK. And then we choose false. Don't ask me why, just so. Click on OK. And again, choose false. And click OK. And that's the action need for that. So I'll show you what happens. We click on it and click on the tick in the top corner. Anything we might type using our PODD, we can actually then use the Save to save it to a button on the pop-up for use. So it could be, let's say, over again, or it could be some news that you want to share with people, save you from typing it out every time. So I'm going to type quickly the button so you see what happens. On the week I went to zoo. Okay, and perhaps I had navigated PODD and created a message. I would come to my saved messages and then click on the Save To button, and what it is, select to copy button to. So this time. And now my message typed out, I can reuse and save over and over again. That is the quick fix for that Save To button if it doesn't have any behaviour behind it.